How to turn off Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you're tired of Apple Intelligence and want to go back to the old Siri on your iPhone, I have got you covered. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, it really helps me out. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And here at the top, you'll see the option to turn off Apple Intelligence. So simply just toggle it off. And now, if I press and hold the side button, you can see that Siri pops up as a normal version without any of the Apple Intelligence feature. Now next, let's free up some space. To do that, simply go back to the settings and tap on General and then select iPhone storage. Now scroll down to iOS and here you will see Apple Intelligence is still taking up some space on your device. So you can keep in mind that it can take a day or two for your iPhone to automatically clear out all Apple Intelligence data when it's plugged in overnight, and this will free up more storage on your iPhone. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.